Welcome to virtual communication tip number 44. Gestures are important. Keep in mind that nonverbal communication makes up 55% of the impression you will leave. So, a few of the gestures to keep in mind are keeping your eyes on the camera so you connect, especially if it's one or two people, you want to look at the camera. Be sure to smile. Remember, it's all about building trust in relationships, so use that smile. And watch your hands. I'm purposely using my hands because I want you to see that you can use your hands to keep gestures alive, but just be sure they are not distracting. At Corporate Speech Solutions, we help you say it better. If you like this video, please make sure that you leave a comment and like it. Give us a thumbs up. We really appreciate your support and your enthusiasm, and I look forward to hearing from you.